Our top focus story for the moment is the relief to builders and home buyers along Noida's extension. The Supreme Court has dismissed all petitions of farmers in this area. This is a huge relief for Noida home buyers and for builders. The court had upheld Allahabad High Court's order in Greater Noida quashing the farmers' plea contesting this land acquisition. Now, all petitions against this stand dismissed by the Supreme Court. What we've been told so far is that the Supreme Court has dismissed all petitions from Noida and from Greater Noida. Land acquisition will not be quashed. Had this judgment not come, the buildings constructed on land would have had to be demolished, is how one of the builders' lawyers told Headlines Today. And I want to quickly bring in Headlines Today's Atir Khan for more on this. Atir, this is a boost for the real estate sector, but take us through the details of the court order. What did the court say?
Well, indeed, it is a huge relief for the Noida extension residents because they were awaiting this judgment with their fingers crossed. But today the Supreme Court has upheld Allahabad High Court's order, and it's indeed a major relief for them, and they've already started celebrating. Now, we do not know the details of the judgment yet, Gaurav, because the court had signed the judgment, and then thereafter the details are yet to be known because we'll get to know through the lawyers. But clearly what we know is that it's a relief for the Noida extension residents because the Supreme Court has upheld High Court's order which said that more than 64% compensation, 10% of the area be developed and given to the farmers will remain the same.
Stay with me, Atir. I want to quickly cut across and listen in to the lawyer contesting this case. Let's listen in to him before I come back to you for more.
Today, the Honorable Supreme Court, in a very significant judgment affecting 65 villages of Noida and Greater Noida area, affecting 17,000 hectares of land, has decided that out of 1,110 petitions, all the petitions filed by Noida and Greater Noida are dismissed, and similarly about 350 petitions filed by various farmers are also dismissed. In other words, the order of Allahabad High Court of 21st October 2011 has been sustained by the Supreme Court.
Now, in all of this, Atir, this is about 100 projects in a 9,000-acre area of land, and 1.5 lakh home buyers would have been affected by this. Tell me, any reaction from either the Builders or the Home Buyers Association?
Well, so far what we know is that the owners of flat owners in that area are quite upbeat about this judgment because they were apprehensive as to what the judgment would be. But clearly the petition of the farmers has been dismissed by the Supreme Court. We are yet to get a reaction because the judgment is yet to trickle down. Details are not known. The court did not pronounce the order. It had merely signed the order and it has been distributed to lawyers. So it will take a while before they get to know the details, following which of course they are going to react to it.